Hello and welcome to this episode of Let's Talk Tech presented by ISSA NI. This is where we keep you up to speed on all the happenings in the tech world. First up, Google Drive app receives new features to improve search on Android and iOS. Google is rolling out new features for the Google Drive app on Android and iOS in order to help users search more efficiently. As part of the latest update, users will be able to see and rerun recent desktop and mobile searches. This will eliminate the need to repeat the same search queries in the app. Besides that, users will also be able to view and select from intelligent suggestions as they type in the search bar. The features have begun rolling out for eligible users. Gaming updates now from PUBG. PUBG India re-entry. Gamers may have to wait till January next year for launch. Though PUBG has not yet clarified any official launch date, several media reports have come up with various dates on the launch. The latest date was said to be somewhere in the first week of December. We are already 2 weeks into the month, but there is no official word on the launch of the game. Imposters take the world by storming at the Gaming Awards. Listen in. The Game Awards 2020, Among Us, Super Smash Bros., Mass Effect, Dragon Age 4 teased, more. The Game Awards 2020 celebrated the best video games of the year and also made some exciting announcements, ranging from much-awaited sequels to worthwhile additions to popular games. Owing to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the event was hosted virtually this year. The most notable among new announcements include an upcoming Mass Effect title, a new Among Us map, and 2 legendary characters to be introduced to Super Smash Bros. Ultimate and Fortnite. Take a look at some of the most notable announcements made at the Game Awards. Koreans leapfrogging the Chinese in phone sales at Samsung lit the path for 5G. Now it's leading in global sales. An October 2020 report from Strategy Analytics revealed that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G was the best-selling 5G device by revenue for the first half of 2020, accounting for 9% of global revenue. The Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G was second, accounting for 8% of global revenue, and the Galaxy S20 5G was third, accounting for 5%. Next up, Google launches information panel to combat COVID vaccine misinformation. Google on Thursday announced that it is rolling out a new information panel in search to counter misinformation about coronavirus vaccines. The search engine said in a blog post that the United Kingdom will be the first country to get the feature because it has already rolled out the Pfizer vaccine for COVID in the country. Medical advancements raise as COVID curves flatten. This time, Google's new Android app lets you contribute to health research. The first study is a team-up with Boston Children's Hospital and Harvard Medical School to improve understanding for respiratory illnesses like COVID-19 and the flu. US adults can self-report their symptoms, preventative measures, and test results to help researchers learn how mobility and other factors play to viral speed. Next, black market reigns supreme as Cyberpunk 2077 has been cracked already. Although we are talking about the DRM-free title, Cyberpunk 2077 is already available for download from various shady sources in repacked versions. Even more, a GOG version of the game, which has roughly twice the size of the compressed version, has leaked online as well. After US, now Germany launches competition probe into Facebook over VR. Germany authorities have initiated new abuse proceedings against Facebook, this time over its VR headsets. The social media giant is already an important player in what is an emerging market, the antitrust agency said. More troubles for Google as CEO Sundar Pichai apologizes for handling of departure of AI researcher. Sundar Pichai apologized to employees on Wednesday and launched an investigation into how the company handled the departure of prominent AI researcher Timnit Gebru. It seeded doubts and led some in our community to question their place at Google. AI is biggest in India, according to reports. Here are the deep. India leads the world in artificial intelligence adoption, thanks to COVID-19. The pandemic that hit the world a year ago, crippling the lives of both individuals as well as organizations, has created a winner high technology adoption across the globe, with Indian organizations leading such upgrades. According to a global study by PwC India, the highest increase in use of artificial intelligence during COVID-19 times has been witnessed in India. Cloud computing is a new norm. New Amazon program aims to train 29 million people in cloud computing by 2025. The idea behind the program is to reskill people to be able to find jobs in the information age in which cloud computing, complete with online commerce, dominates as millions have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And that's all from our side on this edition of Let's Talk Tech. We shall be returning next week with the very latest developments, so stay tuned for that. Stay safe and see you.